First of all, you are welcome at مدينة مكادي Central Laundry. We have two central laundry, one in right and one in left. What you inshallah you will say it. All the equipment belong to Tolkar-Smartex. Yalla, be my guest. White towels. He should open the door and make sure that the door it's completely open it, not move it. حركه بإيدك اليمين وشمال. رجعه. هات الصوت. The for protection. Protection wise. So now he will load it the machine. We have a washing machine now. Finished his work. This is his kitchen uniforms. What we do? First of all, we have to check the drain if have something water here or not. First, we check with the another side in the drainage if we have water or not. We have now to unload the machine. For unload the machine, first of all, we have door open. It will open it. Now, you listen this law. This for protection, the washer or the worker man which use the machine. To finish it, we have to forward the drum inside front of the washers. Here. Listen now. We have to rotate the machine to let the clothes or the linen off the machine by easy way. Now, after he makes sure that all the linen or all the uniforms off from the machine or unloaded the machine, we have to stop first the rotated of the machine as a protection wise. Now stop and we have to return it back the machine. It will be straightened to be ready for the another washing machine cycle. This is Smartex or Tolkar company. We have the dryer machine. We have three. The capacity of the on per each one, 75 kilogram. It means the washing machine 120 kilo, which you already take it off or unloaded the linen, it will be divided by two dryers. It's loaded from the 220 kilo here, the biggest one. It will be divided by the three dryers. Deloaded 220 kilo file. It means we have three dryers, each dryer 75. It means divided by three dryers. It means by one cycle, you load it, you'll be finished after almost 1 hour. Now the machine now it's unloaded. It's almost finished. Then he will load another linen or to check how many programs already we have. Now he will load the wet linen or wet uniform or wet towels, which kind already need to be drier. Then he will close the door. Please be closer to check. Choose the program. Uniform. Started. No. You will listen to alarm. It means you have to check first the filter, the bottom of the dryer, to be cleaned first before they start to dryers. It's kind of protection or alarm it for the staff. It should be open the bottom doors to clean the filter. You can see the filter now, it's already cleaned. Then it will give us the alarm, give us 50 seconds to be ready for the next step. Now we will close it and we will start it and the dryer move on. Now it's short. Now we're going to start with the monster. No, I call him monster.
Honest.
Not machines.
Okay.
Or beasts. You know what beast?
Yes.
Nice.
Good boys.
Yes. It's the biggest one. يعني actually يعني who did this idea? It's perfect.
Yes.
It's perfect. It's eat بص يعني by our language it's eat the linen. Especially all linen, all terry linen or uniform. Terry linen, it means towels, all kind of towel, ropes, beach towels, even napkin. It's perfect for cleaning. يعني it's something يعني from time to time we don't like to put bed sheets. It will be compacted.
Yeah.
And it will be hard for it to unload it.
Yes.
It takes time.
How long you have been using this machine?
Over 1 year, يعني 17 months.
Okay.
17 months. It's not only this machine, it's already all the rest of machine.
Yes.
As you know, we have
120.
2, 3.
20, yeah.
And
2
3
to 5.
dryers.
Yeah. And
And
dry.
folder machine with flat iron. Here, what's the best thing of your machines?
Yes.
The best thing. So give me alarm. Hey, take care. We have a less water from water secretion.
Yeah.
It means I have a problem
And the
with the water filling.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I fix it. I set the rest and the mute and exist. This is a better thing. The better. For the يعني extremely best idea to know the machine what you hey, good morning.
Yes.
You have this problem.
Machine.
How to solve it?
Yeah. Give alarm about the problem you have.
But actually, the best alarm I saw it in the world.
All, yeah, in
Yes.
all brands.
In all branded, I already work since 35 or 39 years.
Okay. Unload. Yeah.
Bring the trolley
Yeah.
for unloaded, the trolley for unloaded, and rotated the machine right or left for to make easy for the distribute the linen and make it easy for him.
So in 16 months, the machine was all in operation.
Yes.
Like
And I will shock you.
Yeah.
Your washing machine already working 24 hours.
Yeah.
In last year.
Yeah, that's good.
Just only we have 2 months.
Yeah, because this is
In January and February, the linen loaded very down.
Yeah, good. That's good to work 24 hours.
You have to pay for us to keep your machine in good condition.
Thank you, sir, for your time.
You are welcome.